morning, welcome to Alvin Dixie vlog. Today we are going to do this unboxing of this inflatable bed for my car. And why do we buy this bed is because we want to have this car camping in our car. As a current situation, we are not able to travel. Let's start to unbox this. This inflatable bed costs about $130 Sing, and we got it from Easy Buy. Okay, this is the stick, Velcro, one pump for the home and one pump for the car. Okay, we have 4 different bags. And one big inflatable book. So to show nearer, you see. Okay. Okay, this one is the green color one is the pump for the house. It's the pump for the house. Okay, there's a on-off button and also plug. This is for the pump for the car. Okay, with a car charger, on-off button. Okay. This stick is for if event of this leaking of air, we can use this to repair it. And this 4 is the 4 small, this kind of like a pillow stuff to help to adjust the height of the bed. So that's 4. And 2 Velcro, I think, is to stick it to help it to maintain it more stable. Okay, I'm going to blow this bed up to see how long that do we need to blow this bed. I'm going to inflate this float up. Okay, this inflate pump, one side is for the air in and one side is for the suction. Okay, start.
Okay.
Okay, we have complete inflating the whole float. This inflatable tube here, one is for the big hole and then the other one is for the smaller hole. So what do you do? Just inflate the big one first and then cover with the smaller one, and the smaller one there is a stopper inside so that the air will not get out. And finish. Okay, once again for this pump, there's a inflate and there's a deflate. So this side is to inflate the air in, and if you want to deflate the pump, you will use this side to suck up the air, deflate.
You want to try the bit?
Let's try the bit. Okay. Yeah, very nice, comfortable.
Is it enough for 3 persons?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Should be enough. So in our next video, we are going to show you, we're going to put this in our car and inflate it and then try to sleep in the car and show you the video. Now I'm going to show you how am I going to deflate this whole pump and the can take.